Kiseng balang di badan hak safe new trap mission menta kesngi kila pakhang lenti bat priang yau Konrad Sangma haringkat ke kenhun menteri jong u daki slipar jat bat ru ban perta hakmat u shame on you Sangma hakapor ba wan ban jurep ya ke jinglong jingman hamukro shu kini kiseng kila perta ya ki kentien ban penrame ke sarkar u Konrad Sangma bat kumju ru kila perta persya iki pulit Asam. Konrad Sangma hadian bola syak pakhang lenti haba ulah hiar nakali ban leja kendo iki balamat iki jingjia ngusi kini kinong elam seng bahalang gila pensange hakaba kila dawa baka sarkar Asam kadai ban wan IT no iki pulet bat kinong para klau ke sarkar Asam kibla siat dusmon yaki khon nyau trap hamukro bat hakate kapor kini giseng kila pensngau baki dap baka jing sokhia ya ke jingkran jong u kaba ulah kubur bat ke ei kaba ka Asam ka kam baki bala syak siat kidai kinong khayi ding tu.
Yesterday, you said that our people, we surround. We surround
No,
to the
government.
Assam News said that our people were smugglers.
That's Assam News.
That's the Assam News.
There is no statement from us like that. No statement
That's
from
what
us
we
like
did
that.
not say. We did not say. Only from Assam side they said smuggler.
Yes,
But we
smuggler
never
is
mentioned
Assam
it.
News. We did not say that.
Yeah, we did not.
Secondly, sir,
People from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. One Assam forest guard also died due to the firing.
Shu kini kiseng kila dawa badai ban pen klan ke bor pahara habaro ki jaka kaput kila dawa badai ban pen kieu ke jengerap nak san lak syakasan paulak bat kila banting baka Meghalaya bat ka Asam kidi bani pen bait no yau put usam kloilan
Iketu, kumalong mentai, nak liang jong, ka government jongi, ngia compare menne, ya ka compensation, ya ka banalin jang state government jongi ka ong basan nak ai sekitiki victims family, lani sekitiki long yen, kibla do no, ya kita kemensim ka bakodor, ka jong kita ki bahayeng jong ki, ka government Assam ngiyo jitip san pholak kana, tinggal sungo ban ong ba, kini ki jingjia. Nga imat ba u Konrad lani ke government MDA kenyo do thala lani lada jin bala day yaki judgment review jong u lada day ki judgment review check la sing la ban ong ba ula increase kini ka compensation phai sha ke jing kini ki celebration ki bilang ki festival ya ka ba kini ki ka festival ka jing ka wangaladan semut ban ong bat kini ka shat nong kram hang to ngi i ka jing long no liang ka jong ni u CM Konrad Sangma ha ka ba hang te wai shipho yau khasi jong i lani ta ka shat nong kram ai tang arlak on ka ar crore hang te wai shipho crore te wai ar crore te ngi i ba hang ne ro ka don ka ka ba ngi la ban ong ba uni u breu u kham long no liang ha ba de ba je ben re wa check ba u je ben re khasi Jan Chahil Jongi. Tika ikaba nalian jungi pun ke kenhol. Ngi kentu baki igi barok ki bangi lai keren mene. Hoi ulo ong ba un susim ya kenika sinjam bala syai ka singin ya kendo baru CM jong asam baru UHM hang tipo nang badal hi. Tinging la dawa mene kumalong mene constitution kumalong dok mentam mene ngidang long kalong tens ma. Ngidon kam ba police let's say ki CRPF lane ki balong neutral ki de bandan ban pahrah ini ki lanye ka ba omdam dei ban no liang so asam lane so meklia tika baar nalol jong kata ngilai kren ha ba dei bat ka dika kes ko mengitip hi ka kes ka jah ne po upur sam jong ka kasi jan chehel si po meklia tingi sku ban ong ba omdei tang ban shu ngilai osngo wi tika khubor ba la penchito mitiki police jong asam lang ba ka asam government rengi ong ba de ban han over syaka meklia police baka day bentok kit kami kira police ya kita gi nosiat lah ni kita killers naka asam police lah kili lah kalong ki police guard lah ni ki police asam police te hak jo por nak liang jo ngi kum kan hon ko mo ong hi ya ka tuka amon hi ngi don kam lah ni ngi karpat ya ka government baka day ban increase ya ketika lump sum amount ko mo ong 5 lakh to each family